Today we have some more tools to show on the channel. We're going to go over the ratcheting screwdriver set from ATuMan, the RS2. ATuMan sent me this kit. Here's the bits. Here's some more specs. This is a 40-in-1 ratchet set. It has 36 individual bits, an extension, an adapter, a handle, and the ratchet head itself, all of which are completely modular.
That's not how it's pronounced.
You can adapt, extend any way you want. This comes out for the 1/4-inch impact style or ratchet style, but this can be used as an extension for the handle or an extension for the ratchet head itself. Very clever. Lots of articulation in this. It does lock in the inline position, and it uses this little lever, or this little dial here, to switch the direction. Quite handy, very, very practical use case. I really like that. If you wanted to get stubby in there, that's fine too. Another great little feature. Most of the common bits are included, except for Robertson. Nobody else wants it but the Canadians, I guess. So has a really nice finish to the aluminum. The spring-loaded case is quite nice. And the nice thing is, because it's so modular, you can actually take this thing apart and put it all into like a tiny little pouch, a zipper pouch. And it would fit with there, even with the extension and probably even all the bits, it would all fit in here. I know you can at least grab the bits you want or use most often, throw them in here. Perfect for that. I really like how that works out. It has many Phillips, flathead, Torx bits, hex, the star bits. I'm not sure, these are like the PZs. Has a few of those, 3 of those I believe. A bunch of metric sockets as well. The price on this thing, regular price is $70 on their website. Right now it is on sale for $39.90. And they did give me a coupon code, so if you guys want another 15% off, you can use my code. I'll link it down below, but it's Vincent Gilligan. And like I said, that gives you a 15% stackable discount. I don't get any affiliation link or anything like that. There's no commissions, it doesn't matter. If you guys want to buy the tool or not, or buy it from them, you can buy it on Amazon. On Amazon right now, they're listed for about 55 US, which is 80 Canadian. And I'm sure they go on sale there as well. Now, what were some of the negatives I didn't like about this thing? First, the weight. This thing is quite heavy. It's not the lightest kit I've ever used. This is something that would probably sit in a drawer or a toolbox or something like that. That I could see. This isn't something I probably would bring around on the go unless I did the little zipper pouch trick. 715 grams, 25 ounces, and it is on the heavier side. The case itself doesn't have any kind of lock, even though it is spring loaded. There's a nice action to it, but if you ever drop this thing, these aren't retained in any way. This is just like a blow mold. It would be a yard sale. There is no marking on the ratchet for indication of which direction you're going. Not the end of the world. It's pretty easy to tell which way you're going. The markings on the case are actually quite difficult to read. The ink is not very bright, and I found that it can be quite difficult. I mentioned there's no Robertson bits. Again, that's a pretty localized issue. But my biggest gripe is the bits themselves. So these are color coded for what type they are, but there is absolutely no markings other than the color band on there to indicate what it is. So if these Torx bits ever get mixed up, you're gonna sit there and have to measure out, see which one's which. I don't know why they wouldn't have included some sort of marking, stamping or etching or lasering for every one of these bits to make it a little bit more useful.
It got too expensive.
Very little organization in this. So you have Phillips here, flathead here, then you have Torx that go all the way across here. Stop here, these are Phillips, or the Allen wrenches, hex keys, more hex keys. Then you got 2 of the star bits, another Torx, a star bit again, and then more hex bits. So it's all over the place. Like it's not organized very well in that sense. I don't think any of the negatives in this are real deal breakers. The ratchet itself is quite good. And like I said, I really do enjoy how modular it is and everything in that sense. It's a great little at-home work kit, a screwdriver ratcheting kit. If you need to put together some furniture or something, this would be great for that. Or just to have in a junk drawer. Thank you, ATuMan, for sending this over. If you guys like videos like this, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.